Hello everyone, my name is Mary and I am one of the teachers of Living the Planet. My students all of them are physical education teachers. There are 6. So I have to mention something. At first I was a little bit scared. It was shocking to understand that they were teachers. And I was afraid of it because they know a lot, they have a lot of experience. But little by little, I understood that it wasn't like that. They are learners too. They want to learn just exactly as me. And well, I also want to share something with you. It was an amazing experience. Okay, so we were talking about gender roles, and I asked them to think about an activity in which they promote gender equality in their class. In their classes, in all of their classes. And they came up with amazing ideas. They were like, okay, the boys are going to be girls, the girls are going to act like boys, and wow, it's not that they are not only amazing students, but as teachers they simply rock. Okay, so I want to say something about this project and that it has helped me a lot about my teaching in terms of exploring my skills as teachers and as a person it also has helped me a lot, and I feel so grateful. This course is amazing. This project is simply amazing.